If you've ever experienced sudden leg cramps or that nagging feeling of weakness, it's likely your body is signaling a vitamin deficiency. These small but powerful nutrients are essential for muscle function, nerve health, and overall energy. When your body lacks certain vitamins, muscles can spasm or feel weak, making daily activities difficult. One key player is vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium, the mineral that makes muscles contract and relax smoothly. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles can cramp easily and feel fatigued. B-complex vitamins are another group that shouldn't be overlooked. Vitamins B1, B6, and B12 are vital for nerve health and energy production. They help convert the food you eat into fuel for your muscles and nerves. So a deficiency here can lead to fatigue and frequent cramps. Magnesium, often called the natural muscle relaxer, works closely with calcium to control muscle contractions. When magnesium levels drop, your muscles may involuntarily tighten and cause painful cramps. Vitamin E plays a protective role by acting as an antioxidant, preventing damage to your muscle cells and improving blood flow. Better circulation means muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay healthy and strong. Vitamin C also has a crucial job. It supports collagen formation, which keeps your tendons and ligaments sturdy. This reduces the chance of cramps caused by strain or overuse. By ensuring you get a balanced supply of these vitamins through your diet or supplements, combined with staying well hydrated, you can dramatically improve muscle health. The weakness and cramps that once held you back can become a thing of the past, replaced by renewed strength and comfort. Remember, your body needs these nutrients every day, so prioritizing them can transform not just your legs, but your overall vitality and well-being. Vitamin D is a crucial nutrient that plays a significant role in maintaining muscle health and preventing leg cramps and weakness. One of its primary functions is to help the body absorb calcium from the diet, which is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. Without enough vitamin D, the calcium levels in your muscles can drop, leading to spasms, cramps, and general muscle weakness. This deficiency is surprisingly common, especially in people who spend a lot of time indoors or live in areas with limited sunlight, since the body produces vitamin D naturally when exposed to sunlight. Beyond calcium absorption, vitamin D also supports the proper function of muscles by influencing the way muscle cells grow and repair themselves. When vitamin D levels are adequate, muscle fibers tend to be stronger and more efficient, reducing the risk of injury and fatigue. Studies have shown that low vitamin D levels are associated with muscle weakness and an increased risk of falls, especially in older adults. This highlights how important it is to maintain sufficient vitamin D for overall mobility and muscle performance. Vitamin D also interacts with the nervous system, which is crucial because leg cramps often involve nerve signals triggering involuntary muscle contractions. A well-functioning nervous system, supported by adequate vitamin D, can help regulate these signals and prevent sudden painful cramps. Additionally, vitamin D helps reduce inflammation in muscle tissue, which can otherwise contribute to discomfort and prolonged recovery after physical activity. For those experiencing frequent leg cramps or weakness, improving vitamin D intake can make a noticeable difference. This can be done through dietary sources like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks, but sunlight exposure remains one of the most effective ways to boost vitamin D naturally. In some cases, supplements may be necessary, especially during winter months, or for individuals with limited sun exposure. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels supports not only strong muscles, but also overall health and vitality. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining nerve function and energy metabolism, both of which are crucial for preventing leg cramps and muscle weakness. Thiamine helps the body convert carbohydrates into energy, which fuels muscle contractions and overall physical activity. Without sufficient thiamine, muscles can become weak and more prone to cramping because they lack the energy needed to function properly. Thiamine is particularly important for the nervous system, as it supports the proper transmission of nerve signals that control muscle movement. When thiamine levels are low, nerve communication can be disrupted, leading to muscle spasms and involuntary contractions, which are often experienced as cramps. This disruption in nerve function can also contribute to a feeling of weakness or fatigue in the legs and other muscles. Deficiency in vitamin B1 is more common than many people realize, especially in individuals with poor dietary habits, certain medical conditions, or excessive alcohol consumption, which can impair thiamine absorption. People who don't get enough thiamine may experience symptoms such as tingling, numbness, or burning sensations in their limbs, in addition to muscle cramps and weakness. These symptoms highlight the important connection between thiamine and nerve health. Including thiamine-rich foods in your diet can help prevent these issues. Whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds are excellent natural sources of vitamin B1, as are pork and fortified cereals. Ensuring adequate intake of thiamine supports the muscles by improving energy production and maintaining healthy nerve function. This combination is essential for keeping leg muscles strong and reducing the frequency of painful cramps. In addition to diet, some individuals might benefit from thiamine supplements, particularly if they are at risk of deficiency or have existing symptoms related to low vitamin B1 levels. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a crucial vitamin that supports many bodily functions, especially those related to muscle health and nerve function. It plays a significant role in reducing muscle cramps and soreness by aiding in the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that help nerves communicate with muscles. When vitamin B6 levels are adequate, nerve signals are transmitted smoothly, preventing the involuntary muscle contractions that cause painful cramps. One of the key ways vitamin B6 helps is by regulating the balance of certain minerals in the body, such as magnesium and potassium, both of which are essential for proper muscle function. A deficiency in vitamin B6 can disrupt this balance, leading to muscle twitching, spasms, and weakness. This vitamin also supports the synthesis of hemoglobin, the molecule responsible for carrying oxygen in the blood, ensuring that muscles receive the oxygen they need to perform well and recover after exertion. Vitamin B6 is involved in the metabolism of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, which are vital for muscle repair and growth. When your muscles are strained or overused, sufficient levels of vitamin B6 help speed up recovery and reduce soreness, making it easier to stay active and avoid weakness. This is especially important for people who experience frequent leg cramps or fatigue, as improving vitamin B6 intake can help address the underlying causes. Additionally, vitamin B6 contributes to reducing inflammation in muscle tissue, which can otherwise worsen pain and discomfort. It also supports the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which influence mood and pain perception, potentially helping to alleviate the discomfort associated with muscle cramps. Good sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, potatoes, bananas, and fortified cereals. For those experiencing persistent leg cramps or muscle weakness, increasing vitamin B6 intake through diet or supplements can be an effective way to support muscle health and reduce symptoms. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining nerve health and reducing muscle weakness. It is particularly important for the proper functioning of the nervous system, which controls muscle movement and coordination. Without enough vitamin B12, nerve cells can become damaged or function poorly, leading to symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness, which often contribute to leg cramps and discomfort. One of the primary functions of vitamin B12 is to support the production of myelin, a protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers and ensures fast and accurate transmission of nerve signals. When vitamin B12 levels are insufficient, this myelin sheath can deteriorate, slowing down nerve impulses and disrupting communication between the brain and muscles. This disruption can cause muscles to contract improperly or become weak, increasing the likelihood of cramps and spasms. Vitamin B12 is also involved in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body, including to muscles. Adequate oxygen supply is critical for muscle endurance and recovery. When B12 is deficient, anemia can develop, leading to fatigue, weakness, and an increased risk of muscle cramps due to poor oxygen delivery to muscle tissues. This vitamin is mostly found in animal-based foods such as meat, fish, dairy, and eggs. So individuals who follow a strict vegetarian or vegan diet may be at higher risk of deficiency. Older adults and people with certain medical conditions affecting nutrient absorption may also struggle to maintain adequate B12 levels. Supplementing vitamin B12 can help restore nerve function and improve muscle strength, especially in people experiencing persistent leg cramps and weakness. By ensuring sufficient vitamin B12, nerve signals remain strong and efficient, helping muscles contract smoothly and reducing the discomfort and limitations caused by weakness or cramps. Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function, making it one of the most important nutrients for preventing leg cramps and muscle weakness. It acts as a natural muscle relaxer by regulating muscle contractions and helping muscles return to a relaxed state after contracting. When magnesium levels are low, muscles can become overly excited and contract involuntarily, which leads to painful cramps and spasms. This mineral is also involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, many of which support energy production. Muscles require a steady supply of energy to function properly, and magnesium helps convert food into usable energy. Without enough magnesium, muscle cells can become fatigued more quickly, leading to weakness and reduced endurance. This is why magnesium deficiency often shows up as muscle cramps, tightness, or persistent tiredness in the legs and other muscle groups. Magnesium works closely with calcium to control muscle contractions. While calcium triggers muscles to contract, magnesium helps them relax. A proper balance between these two minerals is essential for smooth and coordinated muscle movements. If magnesium levels drop, calcium can cause muscles to contract too much or stay contracted for longer periods, which is a common cause of cramps. Magnesium also supports nerve function by regulating the transmission of signals between nerves and muscles. This regulation helps prevent abnormal muscle contractions and spasms caused by misfiring nerve signals. In addition, magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce muscle soreness and help muscles recover faster after exercise or strain. Many people do not get enough magnesium from their diet, especially those who consume processed foods or have digestive issues that impair mineral absorption. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. For those struggling with frequent leg cramps or muscle weakness, increasing magnesium intake through diet or supplements can provide significant relief and support overall muscle health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays a significant role in protecting muscle cells from damage and supporting overall muscle health. It helps neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and harm cells, including those in muscles. By reducing oxidative damage, vitamin E helps maintain the integrity and function of muscle tissue, which can prevent weakness and reduce the likelihood of cramps. This vitamin also contributes to improved blood circulation, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles. Better circulation ensures that muscles receive the resources they need to perform well and recover after physical activity. Poor circulation can lead to muscle fatigue, discomfort, and an increased risk of cramping, so maintaining adequate vitamin E levels can help mitigate these issues. Vitamin E supports the immune system and helps reduce inflammation in muscle tissues, which is particularly beneficial for people who experience muscle soreness or cramps due to overuse or injury. By calming inflammation, vitamin E aids in quicker recovery and reduces muscle pain, allowing for more consistent physical activity without interruptions caused by discomfort. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin E assists in the repair of damaged muscle fibers and supports the growth of new cells. This regenerative function is crucial for maintaining muscle strength and preventing weakness, especially in individuals who engage in regular exercise or face muscle strain from daily activities. Sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, spinach, and other leafy green vegetables. Many people do not get enough vitamin E through diet alone, which can contribute to muscle problems. For those struggling with leg cramps or muscle weakness, ensuring adequate vitamin E intake can enhance muscle function, protect cells from damage, and improve circulation, creating a foundation for healthier, stronger muscles. Vitamin C is a vital nutrient that plays a key role in maintaining healthy muscles by supporting the production of collagen, a protein that is essential for the strength and elasticity of tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues. These structures are crucial for muscle function because they help transmit force from muscles to bones and stabilize joints during movement. When vitamin C levels are insufficient, tendons and ligaments can become weaker and more prone to injury or strain, which can lead to muscle cramps and discomfort. Beyond collagen synthesis, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced during normal metabolic processes, especially during intense physical activity, and they can contribute to muscle fatigue and soreness if not neutralized. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin C helps muscles recover more quickly after exertion and decreases the likelihood of prolonged weakness or cramps. Vitamin C also supports the immune system, which plays a role in muscle repair and overall recovery. A strong immune response helps reduce inflammation and promotes healing in muscle tissues after injury or strain. Inflammation is often a factor in muscle pain and cramps, so vitamin C's anti-inflammatory effects can be especially beneficial for people who experience frequent muscle discomfort. Another important function of vitamin C is its role in improving iron absorption from the diet. Iron is critical for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen to muscles. Adequate oxygen delivery is essential for muscle endurance and performance. Without enough vitamin C, iron absorption decreases, which can lead to fatigue and weakness, increasing the risk of cramps. Vitamin C is abundant in many fruits and vegetables, including citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Ensuring sufficient intake of vitamin C through a balanced diet or supplements supports strong connective tissues, protects muscles from damage, and enhances recovery, all of which contribute to reducing leg cramps and muscle weakness.